Do you want to have more money? In today's YouTube video, we're delving into the fascinating world of training your brain to increase your income, featuring insights from none other than John Assaraf. Have you ever wondered if it's possible to rewire your brain for financial success? John Assaraf will not only answer that question but also share his personal journey of how he began training his own brain to achieve greater financial abundance. Stay tuned to uncover valuable strategies and techniques for enhancing your mindset and boosting your earning potential. Step 1. Identify how much money you want. John Assaraf, in a heartfelt reflection on his mentor Walter Schneider's wisdom, shares an invaluable lesson about achieving goals. Years ago, John's mentor, a highly successful entrepreneur, emphasized the importance of clarity in goal setting. According to Walter, to reach your aspirations, you must first have a clear understanding of what they entail. For instance, imagine you have a financial target of earning $100,000 annually. Break it down further. This equates to around $8,500 each month, or approximately $2,150 per week that you aim to make. If you're not currently hitting this mark, fear not. There are strategies to train your brain and align your actions with your financial ambitions. John suggests starting with a crucial step, clearly defining the exact amount you wish to earn, whether it's on a weekly, monthly, or yearly basis. This foundational clarity sets the stage for focus and effective goal pursuit. By articulating your financial targets with precision, you empower your mind to work in tandem with your objectives, paving the way for success. Step 2. Create a simple affirmation. John said that a simple yet powerful affirmation to manifest financial abundance is a must. Instead of saying, "I'm so happy and grateful for the fact that I am now earning $10,000 a month," you can create an affirmation that aligns with your financial goals. This affirmation should be repeated every morning and night, around 5 to 10 times each session. Visualizing the affirmation is key. Close your eyes as you recite it and imagine yourself receiving the money you desire. Picture it as a check, cash, or directly deposited into your bank account. Feel the emotions associated with having that amount of money consistently flowing into your life. Remember, you have the freedom to choose any financial goal that resonates with you. By consistently practicing this affirmation and visualization technique, you can manifest abundance and create a positive mindset toward wealth and prosperity. As you go through this visualization exercise, John encourages you to immerse yourself fully in the experience. Instead of merely imagining money flowing into your bank account, he wants you to explore the ripple effect this wealth will have on your life, your loved ones, your community, and the charitable causes close to your heart. Picture yourself like a star in a blockbuster movie, feeling the emotions and excitement as if it were all unfolding before your eyes. Take a moment to repeat your affirmations, such as "I am grateful for earning $10,000 per month," while mentally painting a vivid picture of what this newfound wealth looks like in your mind's eye. By engaging in this mental rehearsal and visualization, you're activating specific areas of your brain, like the left prefrontal cortex, the powerhouse that helps you strategize and plan to turn your dreams into reality. This exercise isn't just about imagining, it's about igniting your inner genius and empowering yourself to take the necessary steps towards achieving your financial goals. John Assaraf suggests incorporating positive affirmations and mental rehearsals into your daily routine for optimal brain priming. By consistently doing this in the morning upon waking up and at night before bed, you can effectively train your brain to focus on positive thoughts and outcomes. This practice helps to create a positive mindset and prepares your brain to tackle challenges with confidence and clarity. So make it a habit to start and end your day with affirmations and mental rehearsals to reap the cognitive benefits and achieve your goals. Step 3. Take a vision board. John Assaraf encourages individuals to take a visionary approach towards achieving financial success. He suggests creating a vision board either digitally or physically and populating it with images that represent the lifestyle one would lead earning $10,000 per month. This includes envisioning the type of car one would drive, the luxurious vacation spots to visit, the dream home to reside in, and the charitable causes to support. By visualizing and immersing oneself in the desired outcome, individuals can begin to embody that reality in their present lives. Moreover, Assaraf emphasizes the importance of taking concrete steps towards financial goals. He advises asking oneself daily, What actions can I take today to manifest this level of income? By consistently taking 1 or 2 actionable steps towards achieving the envisioned financial success, individuals can effectively align their actions with their goals. This combination of mental rehearsal through affirmations, visualizations, and physical action serves as a powerful method to condition the mind for success in reaching financial aspirations. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovering how to train your brain for financial success with insights from John Assaraf. Remember, clarity in your financial goals, powerful affirmations, and creating a vision board are key steps in manifesting abundance. Start today by defining your financial targets, crafting affirmations, and visualizing a dream lifestyle. Don't forget to subscribe for more valuable tips and strategies to unlock your earning potential. Together, let's turn dreams into reality and empower ourselves to achieve greater financial abundance. See you in the next video.